Okay, it is day 4 of 5 hikes in 5 days in the San Francisco Bay Area.
This is hike number 4.
We are in Golden Gate Park, and basically the best place to park is wherever you found parking. So we found parking right over here. Which way should we go? This way. Oh, sorry, Evan. Sorry, Evan. It is chilly outside. I'm glad I have my Patagonia jacket that I was actually going to donate because it's not a new jacket. It's very old, but I have to tell you, it's keeping me super warm.
Yeah,
Evan's got his leather jacket. Melanie's got her winter jacket. We are gonna go to the botanical gardens for a nice leisurely walk so the kids can get some exercise. Pro tip is that so Evan gets super hyper to the point where he can't regulate himself when he gets upset. What has worked is, first of all, he needs to get his B12 shot, which helps regulate him. But secondly, magnesium. His doctor actually prescribed him this, which is Super Nuthera, and one of the main ingredients is magnesium. And there's a whole bunch of other ingredients as well, but it helps calm him. It helps keep him calm, right, Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like yesterday, Evan was able to sit for 3 full hours without drinks or food in a church where Leilani was performing her choir. So I was pretty proud of him. So I think we're just gonna do a hike. Where are we? It says you are here.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna go inside.
Inside.
And we're just gonna kind of go all the way around and we'll see. Hopefully that'll be like at least a mile, I hope. It says San Francisco Botanical Garden, welcome to our living museum of plants. Please engage and enjoy. What does it say?
Listen.
Yep, listen. And
learn.
that's right. And Evan, what does this say? What does this say, Evan? What does it say? What does this say? Stroll. And what does this say? Huh? That's right. And what does this say? Yep. And what does this say? What does this say? It says ma. Exactly. All right. Come on, let's go. I think we're gonna do a little sprint.
Yeah,
Oh, we have to buy tickets.
Oh, ticket.
Oh, I don't have any money. Shoot. Let's see how much it costs. See how much. Well, they say masks are not required. So we just got in the garden and I actually didn't know there was a fee. And so we went back to get my wallet. And then they told us that it's free for residents. But you have to have proof of residency in San Francisco, which I didn't have. But he said that next time, bring proof of residency, like something with your current address.
Come on, Mommy. What
I
are you
know.
waiting for?
I know. Evan!
Mommy, who's the world leader?
You are. Come on, Evan.
He's gonna went to the fountain.
Look at the duckies.
Wait, where? Hi, Ducky. Mommy, come on. Evan, come on.
to chase the birds. That's a mother with their parents with their 2 babies. How would you like to come on picture your baby? Okay, thank you. Oh my God, like, so we just got told off for chasing the duckies. And we weren't gonna harm the duckies. So yeah, she said don't chase the duckies because the duckies had their kids and it's just like someone chasing my kids. That's what she said.
Oh, I didn't ever notice.
And she was really creepy looking. But you know, maybe she had a good point. I don't want to look at the hummingbirds. So anyway, we weren't harming the duckies. As you could see, the kids were just running with them. So sure, they might have gotten scared. I don't know. I'm disturbed about that woman. Oh my God. I wanted to just video her, but I thought it would be rude. Look, you can touch and smell the plants. It says, feel free to touch and smell the plants.
It smells so good.
Oh, actually, I think they're talking about these plants. You can touch them. Look, Lilani, it's just like, touch it, Evan. This is a good hike. It's a educational hike. It's from South Africa. And this one is a lemon verbena. Look, Evan. It's, oh, there's a mosquito. Oh. You like it, Evan? There's a mosquito. Mosquitoes can bite. Anyway, I'm so annoyed by that woman. Because I feel like she was okay, you know what it was? She was making me wrong. I don't like it when I get made wrong when I'm just trying to have fun. Okay, so Evan just had a little freak out because I put him on top of there so that we could take a picture, and then I took him down after we finished taking the picture, and he didn't like that. So we're having all sorts of things happen today during this very hikeless hike. It's not really a hike, it's more of a leisurely walk. Come on, Evan. Let's go up the stairs. Like when I try to take a picture of Evan, I'm gonna tickle you. Cheese, 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 Evan, tickle, smile, Evan, smile, smile, smile. Okay, this is a free decision time. Where do you want to go? Down there? So as I was saying in another video, we have to be prepared for anything. And I wasn't prepared for a lady telling me off about the ducks. I also wasn't prepared for Evan to have a freak out. Yeah, we can go here. Follow Leilani. Why do you always stop right in front of me? I'm trying to capture footage that make it look like, you know, I have camera people following me around, and whenever Evan walks by me, he stops right in front of me. Right, Evan? I think that's a good thing. I love you. I love you so much. All right. We're just kind of randomly going through these gardens. It looks like a zoo. Okay, let's go to the water. Go! Plants from New Zealand here.
I'm going to New Zealand.
And over here you can see plants from Australia. And then here you can see a whole bunch of other different plants from different places.
Whoa. Mommy.
The squirrel. It's kind of cool. Ooh, look at this tree. This is a really cool looking tree. Look, Evan, go hug the tree.
Can I hug the tree too?
Yes, you can both hug the tree.
At the same time. Mommy, look at these little thingies.
Yeah, those are roots, I believe. It's kind of cool. Leilani and Evan ran into each other. Now Evan can't stop laughing. Oh, we're in New Zealand. Oh, now we're in the Canary Islands. Because that's a Canary Islands plant. Yeah. Okay, now our little boy is acting punch drunk. Every so often, when there's time, I like to do things like this for our kids. Careful, careful. Lots of people.
His
Sorry.
oldest kid is Karina.
Mommy, this one. This one.
Okay. So I like to do things like this. I like to take them to cool places, and it's free.
Mommy, let's go check out the river.
Check out the river. Let's go check out the river. Do you like that? Do you like the river?
Mommy, can I go climb the rock?
No.
It's right there.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't step on the mud. You want a bar?
No!
You do want a bar. Here, Evan. You want me to help you? I want you to show me. Ask for help.
Oh, okay, Evan.
Is Evan asking you for help?
Yeah.
That was so cute. Got it on video. You're lucky. You have a really, really, really cool sister that helps you, Evan.
Okay. Evan. Here.
Say thank you, Evan. Say thank you. Evan, say thank you.
Quiet, Vicky.
There you go, sweetie. Cool, Evan? You like it? Let's find out what these are called.
Yeah, let's find out.
Yeah. There's nothing better than stimming in nature. Right, Evan? As you eat a bar. We found the sign. It's this.
What does it say?
It says Rhopalostylis sapida. Anyway, I really like these little things here. Hey, little dude. Crazy boy. We're gonna head back now.
Mommy,
So,
this is the birds I've been waiting for.
I did not realize how peaceful it was coming to the gardens here. As long as you're not stopped by a woman that tells you off for chasing the ducks. Heaven, do you love it here? Do you love it here? There are studies that show that being in nature actually elevates. What am I trying to say? Being in nature opens your heart and makes you healthier. And this boy is happy. Right, little dude? Yep. Okay, we have to go out these doors. This is like a turnstile door. Last time you guys went up these doors, Evan decided last minute that he was gonna go in the opposite direction and he got caught between the doors. So, Evan's gonna come with me. Actually, we'll all go in the same door, okay?
Yay.
Hold on. Come in. We're all gonna push together. Go ahead, push. Push. Slowly. Keep going. Keep going. That's enough. Now you guys can go out. That's it.
I was afraid that I was thinking like, how are we gonna get out now?
You thought you'd be locked? No, it's a magic door that lets you get out, but you can't go back in.